Hey guys, and welcome back. Me and Segin actually didn't film a intro to this video, so I'm just gonna do it real quick. But today we're gonna be giving you guys a tour of our dorm. We're gonna show you like the kitchen, the living room, the bathroom, just everything. And we're gonna show you our decorations and how we organized it. So if you want to see how our dorm looks, then just keep watching.
Okay, so welcome to our kitchen. It's kind of small. The whole place in general is kind of small, but yeah. So let's get started. So over here is our refrigerator. I know, amazing, right? Here we have some dry erase board markers for what's over there, but I'll show that to you later. We have some that are dangling, and then we have the eraser. Over here is some special numbers and stuff that we need to know and everything. And then this is a container for what I was supposed to make lemonade with, but I forgot lemons, so it's up there. So up here is a container full of like light bulbs if we need it, and batteries when we get some. For now, we don't have any. And then on this side, we have some popcorn, a very huge box. It was for my birthday party when my friends and Megan spent the night. Obviously, Megan didn't really spend the night because she spent the night here all the time. On the fridge, we have some important phone calls, like the phone numbers, like the RAs, stuff like that, because we live on campus. Over here is anything to do with the emergency numbers and stuff like that. Anything that has to do with that is on here. And here's just our schedule and stuff. And then we have the refrigerator. Now, Megan has it a little bit, like I have the best part of the refrigerator, because this is all Megan's stuff. She has to cram it all right here. And this little area right here, and then the rest of it's all mine. So I get the better part of it. But I have a lot of frozen food. I mean, so does she. And then over here, we have it split in half. It's not the most like fancy situation, but on the right side is Megan's stuff, and on the left side is my stuff. Yeah, and here's what I had for dinner, you guys. Some pasta. It is yummy. And then we come over here to the cupboards and stuff. So over here, Megan got some bananas. I had bananas earlier, but I don't like them. That's our beautiful dishwasher who makes a lot of noise. So we have a toaster. This toaster was $10. She works okay for $10. I understand why it's $10. We have a NutriBullet. We have some napkins because we are some messy people. And then right here we have our lunch boxes. This one's Megan. This one's mine. And then this one has our dishes and our plates. Right now we have 4 of each thing. So 4 big plates, 4 small plates, 4 bowls. We're gonna get more, but eventually, yeah. That's my side. All these cups are mine. On the side, that's Megan's cups, like sippy cups and stuff. And then here we have regular cups that we can use for like other drinks and stuff like that. And then right here, it's kind of a mess, but this is my cupboard. How I did is like just packages, like these are potatoes and granolas, and then like seasonings and all that stuff, that anything that is considered mine, I keep in here. And then in this one, it's kind of hard to open. When we actually moved in here, this one was broken, but Megan fixed it. But this side is all of Megan's Tupperware, and then bowls. We use these bowls a lot of the time when we do popcorn and movie nights, and this is what we use our popcorn in for. And then on this side is my stuff. It's kind of messy because I don't keep mine as clean. And then we have these little containers that are really cute for like squeezable like mayonnaise or dressings or something. So that's cute. And then over here, again, not super organized. Okay, so this is our silverware container. Now usually these things go in a drawer, but when we bought this, we didn't measure the drawer out correctly. So it goes up here because it don't fit in the drawer. And then we have some pans and pots that go here, as well as some cutting boards. We have a lot more, well, we don't have a lot, but we have more pots and pans. They're just in the dishwasher right now because I use them to make dinner. And then over here, me and Megan have our own separate cupboards that we keep our food in, but we bought a little too much food. So this is like an area for like chips and stuff. So like we share that big bag of Ruffles, and then everything on this side is Megan's, and then everything on this side is mine. So yeah, there's that. Our lovely microwave, our stove, which I'm not even sure if I'm a fan of, as I've cooked like 3 meals on here so far. And to make the water actually boil, you have to put it on like high, not just like medium. So, and then here is our stove. Pretty self-explanatory. This is our dishwasher, which for some of you guys may not think is cool, but at my house, I didn't have a dishwasher, like I did, but it didn't work. So having this is pretty cool. That's all of our stuff in there. Yeah. And it's very loud too. Over here is the sink, obviously. I actually really like the sink. It's very deep. Right now there's one thing in here. Right now there's only one thing in here. I used to use this for an ice pack because I didn't have one, but now I do. And then those are our soaps that we use, such and that. This is my coffee cup that I use every morning because I need my coffee or I will die. And here, oh, we have this cute little towel that's a pineapple, so cute. And then here we just have some bags for trash bags, some cleaning supplies, fun stuff. Then we have this cute little rug that Megan got. I don't know where she got it from, but she brought it, so I know that. And then over here is Megan's one. So Megan got the smaller one because she's shorter, so she could reach down over there, so that makes sense. You know, because if she got the higher one, she would have to get a chair to get into there. Well, I can just reach. So then we move on to this side of the kitchen. This is just a table, obviously. You guys know what a table looks like. And this is our coffee maker. Megan brought this the other day, and so far I've drank 3 cups of coffee. I think Megan's drank 2, so we use it quite often. We both have French vanilla coffee. She has the cappuccino version, and I have the just plain Jane version because it didn't have any sugar in it, and I needed that. And then we each got a bag of Zippies. Megan got hers. Can't even call these Zippies because they're not really Ziploc bags, but they're used the same thing. We have extra tennis balls in here because we put tennis balls on the chairs because they were very noisy and stuff. So yeah, there's that. And then my car keys and my house keys. It helps me not to forget it, even though the other day I locked myself out here. I didn't talk about that. This is our schedule and stuff. So we had my birthday party. This is where we keep our groceries, which we haven't really used in a while. We just grab what we want. But yeah, and then tomorrow's my birthday, guys. Over there is Megan's schedule for school. And I think that's about it for the kitchen. Overall, it's pretty good. It's a pretty nice kitchen, I think. Forgot. So these are our chores that we do. Since we live by ourselves and not with our parents anymore, they can't do anything for us anymore, and we have to take turns cleaning. So this week I do dishes, Megan does trash, I do counters, I clean the counters and the tabletops and stuff like that, and Megan does the tables and stuff. And then we're gonna change it up a little bit. Maybe just like one person does the kitchen, one person does the bathroom, instead of just doing it that way. But for now, that's what we do. So yeah.
So this is our living room. It's not small. I think it's a good size. And it's pretty basic, but that's what we need. We have the couch here, which is good because like I always sit here and Segin sits there and like watching movies on the TV. We have a cute little coffee table with these little balls from Dollar Tree, which were really cheap, and cute decorations. Over here we have our basket for remotes, just my phone with a charger, and this cute little flower vase Segin made from Dollar Tree, so cheap again. And then our one lonely picture on the wall. We were trying to go for like a cactus theme in here, but we kind of failed. That was like the first cactus thing we bought, so we're still working on it. Then we just have this chair and our nice light that Segin got from like Walmart, I think it was. Our blinds, which we got a very good view in case y'all are wondering. And then over here's our TV. If you guys can see like our little cactuses, our smell good thing, which doesn't really smell good. This was actually a decoration from Segin's birthday party. We just left it up because it's kind of cute. And on this shelf, we have our phone, which is not even plugged in because we don't know how to work it. I mean, it's not like we know how to work it, but like when we call, it doesn't call nowhere. So kind of pointless. And then down here we just have some board games for like if we are bored or have like people over, we can play games. This, we have 2 air mattresses in case like people come and stay the night. They have a bed to sleep on. Then this is Seg's TV, which is very nice. Because if we didn't have it, it'd be very boring. Especially like the first 2 days we couldn't get to work. But she's got like a fire stick, so we can like go to watch anything. So that was really nice. Then we have this chair, which this did not come with the place. Me and Segin would bought this because if we have people over, it's nice to have another seat. And it's really comfy. We got it from Target. So that is the living room. This is the thermostat. It's nice to be able to control what it feels like in here, but it gets very cold, very cold. So we're always like turning it up, like the heat up, and turning it down because it's hot in here. So it just keeps, yeah, it's the thermostat. It's gorgeous. Okay, that was the living room. Oh, hey guys, welcome to the bathroom. Me and Segin decided to do the 2-bedroom, 1-bath because it was cheaper and we didn't really need our own bathrooms, even though it'd be really nice. But this is Segin's sink, so you can see like her colored soap and toothbrush holder, and then this is her cabinet, which doesn't really have anything under it other than clean supplies. Then this is my sink, and except for Walmart didn't have my color, so I had to get gray. And then this is my cabinet, my basket of like hair stuff, and then my little shower caddy. Where's your shower? Your thing. Oh,
It's in there.
okay, and then we split the drawers up. Of course, Segin always gets the top drawer because she claims she's taller, so she should get the top one. This is just like her stuff. Not really sure everything, but it's hers. And then mine is down here. Just a few things like speaker, you know, when you're showering, got a party. Okay, and then we'll come into here. Oh. This is where like the toilet is. We even got some decorations in here. Just very echoey. Just your basic. That just has like toilet paper and that in it. And Segin's area. We keep like our broom and vacuum in here, so we don't have a good spot to put it. This door is actually locked. We don't have like a key to it because it's like the water heater, I think. So it's pointless. We can't go in there. So here's our shower curtain. I think it's really cute. Segin bought it, but like it has our colors because mine's like pink and hers is blue. So you can see my pink towel and her blue towel. The shower is pretty basic. It's pretty crappy if you ask us. It's just like one of the bad hotel showers. Like this thing's really hard to pull up, and I don't know. It's just very basic.
The hot and cold is messed up.
It is?
Mm-hmm. Like when you turn it, because if you put it to the cold part, like a little bit down too much, it turns hot, but the red doesn't go that way.
Oh, I guess I didn't even pay attention to that. And then we had to go and buy a new one of these because the one that it came with was literally like a trash bag. It was all ripped up and did not work. So we had to go get a shower liner. But it works. It's better than having like a giant shower room like normal dorms have. So that's nice.
Okay, and now for my room. Come on in. So if you want to see my room in more detail, just wait till Thursday because that's when my video of my room tour comes out. But for now, let's go see Megan's.
So this is my room. Just come on in. If you would like to see my room in depth, just be watching for Tuesday's video. That's when my room tour will come out, and you'll be able to see like everything. I'll show you everything, like just everything, the decorations, how everything's organized. I'll show you everything, so let's be watching for then. But I'll give you like a little scan. Here's just a quick scan. I won't show everything because that's what my room tour is for. So let's go back out there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our dorm. I think it's pretty cute and I like it, so I hope you guys like it as well. If you want to see my room in depth, then keep watching for Tuesday, because that's when my dorm room tour will be coming out, and be watching for Friday for Segin's. That's when her room tour will be coming out. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys like our rooms, or like what part of the apartment you like the best, and any suggestions you have for videos you'd like to see me and Segin do. And make sure you subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe, because we are almost to 50. And turn your notification bell to be notified when we post, because as you can tell, we post very randomly. So if you have your notification bell, you'll be notified when we post, which will help. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.